Hello friends, in the previous video I showed you that how we can install, how we can download and install Krita open source free software in our computer on Windows 10. In this video, I will teach you some things about the interface of the Krita software, so you will come to know how to show or hide the Dockers and how to see the interface. Okay, so if you are familiar with the Adobe Photoshop interface, so it's almost just like Adobe Photoshop interface, so you can learn easily about the interface. Even if you are not familiar with the Adobe Photoshop, I will teach you from scratch here. So you can see on the top, we can see the name of the software Krita is appearing here. Just after this, we have a menu bar where we can see various different options: file, edit, view, image, layer, select, filter, tools, settings, window, and help. So in file, for instance, we have how to create a new file. We can open the file, existing files, or existing file we can see in open recent. In open, using open, we can open supported file formats in the Krita software. So each and every option in the menu bar has sub options, so we can use these sub options to work in the Krita, like cut, copy, paste, So these are the called dockers in the Krita software. In Adobe Photoshop, these are called panels. So if you go to the settings, so you can see dockers are show here, it's enabled here. So we can, if we uncheck this option, see dockers from my the right side of my screen and from the left side of my screen interface. From the interface from the right side and from the left side has been hide. So if we want to see them again, we can click on show dockers. So one by one, for instance, if we want to see arrange docker, so it will appear just after this at the top, sorry, or at the bottom right. So dockers arrange, and you can see arranges here. If I go to settings, dockers and grid and guides, so grid and guides, see grid and guides are here. So if we want to hide them again, so arrange I will hide, and grid and guides I will hide. These are the tool panels. On the left side you can see, so tools we can use for different purpose, like select shape tools, and this is text tools. So there are different tools. In the future upcoming videos in this playlist, I will show you one by one all these tools, so you will able to build, to design stunning, professional and beautiful stuff assets using the Krita open source softwares. These are the options. So it depends on the tool, whatever tool you are using, you can these options. And here you can see, like if we create a new file, and if I create, so you can see this is work area. Okay, so if I close it from here, so in the default dashboard, you can see like some options, some quick options. We can create a new file here, we can open file here, we can see the recent documents here. We can see some community links like user manual, getting started, user community, and other options. If you want to enable the news, you can enable news from krita.org in various languages with the menu above. You can also enable here. This is called workspace. So this is workspace. Now you can see default workspace. It depends what you are working. For example, you are creating some 2D animation, or if you are using Krita for painting. So as per your work, you can select this option. For example, if you are creating a 2D animation, so you can select animation or any other workspace. So when we select the workspace, you can see the dockers, the panels, they will change. If I click on big paint tool, so you can see the dockers will change. So these are the workspaces we can select by default. Default is enabled, so we will select this one. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video. If you have subscribed my channel, then it's good. If not yet, then please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you so much once again.